In this video, I will show you how to use the Excel month function along with some examples and important things to remember while using it. So let's get started. The month function in Excel returns the month value of a date. The month is an integer number between 1 for January and 12 for December. Here is the syntax of the month function. This function accepts only one argument, a valid Excel date. For example, this month formula will return 1 as the month value, this month formula will return 8 as the month value, and this month formula will return 12 as the month value. The month function may return num or value error in some cases. The month function only accepts a valid date as the argument, but if the argument is not a valid date, it returns the value error. For example, in this month formula, the argument string is not a valid date, so it returns the value error. Excel stores dates as serial numbers. It starts from 1st January 1900, which is represented by the number 1. When we supply a number to the month function, but it is not a valid date serial number, the month function returns the num error. For example, in this month formula, the argument number -1 is a valid numeric value, but it is not a valid date serial number, so it returns the num error. The month function is very useful in various date manipulation formulas. In this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. Now, I want to check if the dates in these two columns belong to the same month and year. I am going to use this formula to do the same. I have extracted month and year values from the first date and then joined them using the ampersand sign. I did the same for the date in the second column and then compared both of them to find out whether they were the same or not. As you can see, the formula returns true if both the dates belong to the same month and year, and false if they do not. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some month names in this column. Now I want to convert these month names to month numbers. To do that, I am going to use this formula. Here, the date value function converts text to a date serial number. The string containing 1 is appended to the month name so that it recognizes it as a date. Then, the month function returns the month number from the date. As you can see, we now have month numbers for all these month names. Here, in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. Now, I want to create dates of the same day and month values, but in the current year. To do that, I am going to use this formula. Here, I have extracted the day and month from the original date using the day and month functions respectively. To extract the current year, I have used the year function and passed today's date as the argument. The date function then creates a new date based on these values. As you can see, we now have new dates for the same day and month of the current year. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. Now I want month names for these dates. For example, for the first date, I want the text JAN as the month name. Here is the formula to do that. The choose function returns a value from the list at the given position or index value. I have extracted the month number from the date using the month function, which will serve as the index of the choose function. For example, for the first date, the month function will return 1. The choose function will return the first element of the specified list, which is January. As you can see, we now have the month names extracted from all these dates. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.